sea of green stretching to the horizon. Filter through our cutting-edge stainless steel system. Precision.
Checking now. Quality check.
The vastness of the plantation is truly incredible. A sea of green stretching to the horizon.
You can see the...
Almost there. Need to secure the rope. Careful. Keep them coming. Plenty more up there. Watch the fall. Keep stacking them high. Grab that one to the left. Almost done with this section.
Welcome to the heart of the plantation, where the golden sun rises over fields filled with the bounty of the earth. Coconuts piled high await their journey.
Keep it steady. Watch your back. Right, coming through. Almost down. Here we go. Good job. Next one.
Of pure coconut oil, filtered through our cutting-edge stainless steel system. Precision engineering ensures
the refractive index is within spec. Let's document the final clarity check. This batch is ready.
Verified 38.01 millimeters. Documenting results. Lot P0832A0. Pass.
Keep them coming. That's it. Hundreds of thousands ready to go. Perfect quality. Right off the line.
The precision rotary filler
Viscous
ensures
coconut
oil, maintaining the highest standards of quality. running efficiently.
Check the coconut oil levels. They look good.
Prepare for capping.
Checking now. Quality check successful. Ready for packaging.
Locked in position. The labeling machine applies the parachute advanced label pressure resistics.
Extreme macro start. The parachute label edge just touches the blue bottle. Correct. Now apply it smoothly from left to center. Label is now centered.
Trusted by millions, Parachute Advanced delivers 100% pure coconut oil for radiant, beautiful hair.
이런 가족들이 아무래도 ट्रिपल देंगे एक प्रोजेक्ट ऐसे बहुत रहते हैं जो बड़े सेल अप इन करके दे पाना तो वीडियो सब तो है और से गोरी तक
Experience the essence of purity with Parachute 100% pure coconut oil.
Introducing Parachute 100% pure coconut oil. Sourced from the finest coconuts, it's natural, pure, and trusted. Experience the essence of the tropics in every drop.